unboxing a Lafayette LA-55, and this is loose in here. Lousy wrapping, not good at all. It's a tube amp, so oh fuck me, look at that, wrapped like that. Fuck me, fucking pathetic. Plastic bag to hold a tube amplifier, and it's facing downward, and it's got a glass front on it. Not a glass front. Where's the other knob gone? What a pathetic way to rabbinise them. Oh, there's the knob come off. Unreal, look at that. Bits of paper to wrap up a tube amp. Incredible, look, the tube's almost out there, look. Yeah, pathetic.